High-end grip open smart lock. Aluminum alloy material. Tempered glass panel. Classic black. Simple and atmospheric. Fingerprints. Passwords. Credit cards. Mechanical key. Optional Tuya TT Lock APP unlocking. Easy to unlock, even if no one is home. The door lock can be input 300 groups. Fingerprints, passwords, card information. Used for AA alkaline batteries. It lasts up to 1 year. Emergency charging bank unlock. Make it easy for you. C-class blade lock core. Prevention techniques and violent unlocking. Operates in extreme temperatures, -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Suitable for indoor wooden doors and other scenarios. 35 to 55 millimeters thick door can be easily installed. Adapter 50 series, 4085 and above series, 72 series lock body, 6085 series. Welcome to Consult and Purchase.